Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing the Sugar Angel from LOL Surprise Dolls. Thank you for always requesting that I draw more LOL dolls for you, and I really hope you love how this sweet angel turns out. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this very sweet angel, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and start with bottom of a U, but I'm going to make it nice and wide. So about right here, come right across and say about in this area. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and connect at the bottom, and it's going to be a little bit more shallow than usual. So just nice wide bottom of a U and connect. Now that we have this wide curve in, let's come back to where we started on the edge. I'm going to draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across, about right here, and do the same thing, right towards the edge. Huge eyes, right? For these LOL Draw So Cute eyes. Okay, so now that we have the circle in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that I have the eyes in, let's spruce them up. So I'm going to come to the edge right here, and I'm going to start with one curve and thicken it up for the main lash. And then on the sides right here, just going to add 4 smaller ones. And same thing over here. So one main thick curve and 4 smaller ones on the side. There, so now that we have that in, let's come to the top and we're going to draw her brow. So right over her eye, about right here, we're just going to draw a curve and connect. So it's kind of like a very long teardrop. So about right here, same thing. And connect. And let's give her a sweet smile. So right in between the eyes, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. It goes up slightly and cap it off there. Now that we have that in, let's come to the sides right here. We're going to draw her ear about right here where her eyes are, and drop it curve and 2 small curves inside for some detail, and same thing over here. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and build her face and her hair. So I'm going to come about right here over her brow, and I'm going to draw a big curve right over her brow. And as I get to about right here, I'm going to stop and give a little gap. So go up and then continue my curve. So it's right over the face. Then from there, let's come back about right here, and I'm going to connect with a curve, and same thing here. Just connect it with a curve to finish off her face. Then let's draw the bangs. So now that we have this curve in and here, I'm going to go up to connect. So nice big curve at the top, right here, and bring it right back down for her bangs. Then come back right here, and we're going to taper this curve that comes right towards her ear to finish off the top of her head. So same thing here, bring this curve in and bring it into her ear. Then let's one more layer. We're going to come out and follow that curve to draw the headband for her halo. So I'm just going to follow my curve all the way back down. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw her space buns. So in this area right here, I'm going to start with a center curve and draw the loops for our bow. And then we're going to draw some curves around this bow. So just one here, one there, and then in the center we're going to draw two. And then now we can draw the bun. So let's come about right here. And I'm just going to turn my body because I want this bun to be nice and centered about right here. So just give myself a point and draw a curve that comes towards that point and down. Create that shape. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across about right here. And do the same thing. So once again, loops for our bow. And I'm going to turn my body this way now. And same thing. Two, and once again, I want to make sure, so about right here. And draw this curve and bring it in. There. So cute, right? Okay, so then now let's draw the halo right on top. We're going to basically just draw a big oval. So let's start from the center, and I'm going to go out to create this oval shape and bring it back in and back there. And let's thicken it up. So I'm just going to follow what I just drew and in there. Now for all the details on the hair, you can come back in here and just lightly draw some curves just to give our hair some volume. Maybe another one here so it's not such a big gap, and same thing here. There, and that one's all wobbly. Okay, so then for her bangs, let's do the same thing. It's all starting from the center, so about right here. And just going lightly and quickly. Just draw these curves, sometimes maybe a little bit closer. And just to create some strands in her hair. Okay, so now that is all done for her head. Let's draw her cute body. So let's come to the center, about right here, and I'm going to draw a big curve for her neckline, right in the center. Then from there, I'm going to imagine her shoulders about here and here. And then I'm going to come back to this part right here and just draw an angle line down for her dress. So let's bring this down a little bit more. And about right there, I'll go ahead and connect with a curve. And I'll thicken this up for her, the band right there. And let's draw her skirt. So let's flare this out on both sides. Let's flare it out. And now that they're both about the same angle, same height, I'm going to go ahead and wobble a curve all the way across. Oops! I missed my point. I thought I knew where I was going. There, sorry about that. And then one more layer. I'm gonna come down. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure I don't miss my point. So make sure your curve is lowest at the bottom. and go right back up. And one more layer. And same thing. Now that we're done with her skirt, let's go ahead and draw the legs. So just imagining her hip right here. So we come down and about here and here and here. I'm just giving myself some points. So from the center, I'm going to come about right here and here and start my curves. So let's bring this down. It's going to get slightly thinner as we come down. And about right here, I'm going to curve out, but not too much. We just want to make sure we don't pass the center. And from here, go ahead, come in and then out and connect for our feet. So same thing over here, curve in. And once again, same thing here. Get slightly thinner and then outwards for her shoe. And connect. Then for some details, let's come back right here. We draw a curve and there's a band. So about right here, it's all tied up. So we're going to draw one here and then across. And right here, I'm just going to draw a bow just to finish it off. So just 2 loops. And I'll try to thicken it up. There. So same thing over here. And once again, the loops. Okay, so now that that is done, let's draw her hands. So we're just going to have them to her side. So let's come out and come down and about right here. Thicken it up. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and start with her thumb and then her fingers. Let's bring this out, curve it up a little bit and in. And right here, you're going to add a little finger if you like. So same thing over here. Same part right here. Thicken it up. And I just want to make sure, so it's about right here where her skirt is. So thumb and fingers. And a little one in the back. There. So that is all done, and I thought it'd be really cute. The original doesn't have this, but since I'm drawing it, I thought it'd be really cute to give her some angel wings. So I'm going to come right here if you want to do that. And I'm just going to pop in some really simple little wings. And right here, whatever space you have left. And so same thing here. So it's right under her ear. It kind of helps give you an idea of where to go. There. And let's see. Could add some detail, so I'm just going to in here. If you like. I think I added too many curves here, huh? Okay, 1, 2, 3. See, I do mess up all the time. And of course, I'm going to add a heart right here on her outfit to make her my draw so cute. LOL Sugar Angel. And just gonna come in here really quick and erase this so it's not so confusing. And here as well. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this sweet angel turned out and that I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love LOL dolls, definitely check out my LOL doll playlist for more of these drawings, and I will see you soon. So please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.